What is up, you guys? So today is part 2 of Canadian packing. It's been a week. Today is Sunday. Actually, it has been a whole week. And you guys can tell, my room, I've been a little bit busy. I have some over here. And the only thing is because I thought I was going to have a new job this week. And I was like busy because I'm not going to be home all week this week. But I did not end up taking the job because the job is too far for me. So I am deciding to clean. So I am cleaning half of my stuff over here. Let me show you guys what have been doing. I have cleaned this area, my desk. I want to clean my desk today, and I want to clean all this today and clean that. And yesterday, we have the other side of my bed. My other side of my window clean. It's all like empty now. It's just like little pieces of trash, but my dad's like, get as much as you can. And all of my walls is gone. Like there's no picture frames on top of it. All of my picture frames is over here. It's a lot we have to go through. If I want to keep, I think so. This too is throwing away. Most of this stuff is keeping because I might get new frames. Don't know yet. I don't have money, that's why. So I really don't know if I want to get new frames. I'm hoping to get new frames, but we will see. So that's what I'm gonna deal with it today. I'm gonna deal with it later on today. My parents went to church. I didn't want to go because I just don't like to go over there. And so that means I'm not going to LA this week because I'm not going today. So yes, I'm going to Wednesday. Hopefully I want to go to Wednesday. I think so that's it from with us. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit until I clean, and that will be it for the day. So let's catch you guys later. Actually, we're starting to work there right now, because my sister's routine coach is taking my Honda. Don't know the reason why actually, but I kind of do know why, but kind of at the same time I don't, because I don't know what she's taking it for. But I just cannot find the Honda key. I found the key, and I just have to clean out the car because yes, we've been packing over here too. This is the house we've been living at. But yeah. So I finally posted a video for last week of me packing part 1 and 2. The only reason why I'm saying 1 and 2, because I posted 2 times. I mean, not posted 2 times. I recorded 2 days